To our distinguished speaker, Reverend Abraham Cabinera, Schools Division Superintendent, Sir Donnie Clark Ukil, our dear School Administrator, Pastor Besonayang, School Principal, Pastor Francilia Perez, hardworking teachers, loving parents, guests, and my fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good morning to all of you. In behalf of the Kinder graduates, thank you for coming here today to celebrate this memorable event, our graduation day. I am very grateful to the Lord for being a part of this school, wherein we learn how to pray, read, write, sing, and work well with others. Next school year, we will move forward as grade 1 and promise to study well and be more responsible. To my classmates, thank you for the fun and friendship that we shared. Thanks to my teachers, Ma'am Jen and Ma'am Pinky, for being our second mom and for helping us grow in so many ways. Thank you for the love, support, and the patience with us. Thank you also, Angie, for encouraging us to do well with our patience. Thank you, Tina Nini, for teaching us to behave. Thank you, Pastor Ben, Pastor Francis, Pastor Mark, for teaching us the Word of God and the important values like kindness, humility, respect, and many more. To my family, thank you for loving me and teaching me how to be good to others. To my mommy and daddy,